Hello everyone, right, today I'm going to show you how to finish off my fireplace.
Boring! Let me take over. Right, basically we're going to board up the top of this fireplace. We'll board up the sides and we'll insert a hearth at the bottom, but we'll do that in future videos. I'll link that in the description. For today, we're doing the top. Right, time to crack on. First up, grab your insulation, shove it up the chimney, keep your room nice and warm. Next, just going to measure. Yeah, that'll do. Yeah, that'll do. This is just for camera. Oh, there's my legs. Yeah, get the big drill out. Everyone loves a big drill. What I'm doing here is basically making the bricks flat so that the wood that I install will sit flush on the bricks. I should be wearing a mask really. It's a bit dusty. And yeah, hopefully bricks don't fall on my head. Yeah, wipe those glasses. Yeah, looking good, mate. Looking good. Oh yeah, cut a bit of wood. Yeah, it looks good. Yeah, mark that there, that'll do. Bosh that clamp on. Cut, 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 cut. And we're there, nice. Cut the next bit. Oh, that looks a bit smaller, mate. Oh, we're using the other bit. Okay, all good. Yeah, pretend that fits. Oh no, that doesn't fit. Okay, good, it fits at the front. That's good. Yeah, try and look professional. Don't really know what you're doing. Oh, I'll get the hammer and chisel out. That's it. Ooh, laser beams. Got the laser beams now. Yeah, it's level, mate. That's what they're for. Yeah. Bring the wood up to it. Yeah, level. Looking good. Get a drill out. What are we doing with this? Drilling pilot holes. Good idea. Yeah, careful of your feet there. Nice. Yep, all done. Oh, no. What did I forget? Ah, pencil. As you can see, my head keeps getting in the way of that laser line, which is why I drew the pencil line on there. Yeah, measure that up. Looking good. Right, hold that in place. Drill through the pilot holes that I made. This makes marks on the bricks so that you know where to drill with your big drill. Oh, a little tutorial, how to use rule plugs. Select the right size for the drill bit, basically. Right, and now drill some holes. That's it. Drill the holes, knock the rule plugs in, rinse and repeat. Ah yeah, my partner comes in here, passes me some screws. Measure the screws, how far they're going into the wall. Set the guide on the drill. Job done. Oh, big thumbs up there, nice. Right, yeah, so I put the screws in the rule plug here just to give it a little tap into the wall. I basically want the rule plugs nice and flush so that the wood doesn't stick out and it's fully against the brick. There you go, start with the middle one, screw that in, check the level. Start with the middle one just to give you a little bit of wiggle room. That's all I'm doing there. Happy with the level, putting the rest in. There you go, that's what it looks like. Done the rest now. Measuring up for the noggins. Yeah, gone and cut them, nice. That one went in nicely. The other one, there's a bit of plaster in the way, bit of whatever it is. So I'll have to chisel that out. It's really important to get your levels right with this because obviously when the backer board sits on it, if it's not level, it's going to pull it all out of shape. Pre-drill the holes just so the screws go in easier. Yeah, still not happy with that. Get the chisel out, get a bit out. Might as well do a proper job. There you go, get the noggin in the right place. Screw it in, check the level, screw it in again. Oh, more screws, nice and sturdy, that. Okay, time for tidy up. Tidy, tidy, tidy. Tidy, tidy, tidy. I quite like being tidy. What do they say? Clean space, clean mind, or clear space, clear mind. I don't know what it is. I just like it to be a bit tidy.
Okay, so yeah.
Oh, not this
Insulation
guy
went in,
again.
framing works on. It's very
Yawn.
sturdy. That's not going anywhere. It's all level. The idea now is we're just going to we're going to cut the cement board, and then we're just going to screw it up onto that frame.
There you go, measures. Oh yeah, got a nice pencil there. Pen and paper, measure that up. You want it flush with the wall. You want the cement board to come right out to the front and be flush, so that when you plaster it, you've not got a big bulge in your wall. There you go, this is actually my first ever time using backer board. So I measure it up. Use a nice piece of straight wood, get the lines nice and straight, get it nice and square. There you go, whack the clamps on. Run the standing knife down there. Just a couple of times. I think I do it about 16 times in total. I don't think I was pressing hard enough. There you go, perfect. Professional. Okay, now do the other side. What's this? 1, 2, 3. Oh, just 4 cuts this time. There you go, that's how we do it. I'll tidy it up a little bit. Oh yeah, tidy it up quite a lot. All done, nice. Okay, time for a dry fit. Yeah, looks good. Mark on the wall where the noggins are so I can screw in. That's what you call using your head. Screw all the screws in. Put in way more than you think you need, just because that's what we do when we do DIY.
And that is the backer board done.
Right, back to this guy again. Yeah, so he's basically saying we're done. He knows there's a big hole in the front of it. He's going to fill that with expanding foam and then plaster over it anyway. But it was the best way to get the wood level, to make sure that the backer board was level. I'll probably go on to say something like, yeah, if you've enjoyed this video, subscribe. Something along those lines. If you want to see how the rest of the fireplace is done, I'll link some videos. I'll put them in the description. But the best way to do it is just to subscribe, and then you never miss any videos ever again. Beautiful. Thank you very much for watching. I really hope that was useful for you, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.